In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Stripe account, whether you're using a standard or express account. Let's break it down step by step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free login experience. If you have a standard Stripe account, which typically grants you full access to the Stripe dashboard, the process is straightforward. Begin by navigating to the official Stripe login page using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the authentic site to avoid any security issues. You'll then enter the email address you used during the registration process. Remember, it's important to double-check that the email address is correct. Even a simple typo can prevent you from logging in. Next, input your password. If you're having trouble remembering it, consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. A key part of using a standard Stripe account is completing two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This is an important security measure that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. You'll receive a code either via SMS or through an authenticator app like Authy or Google Authenticator, depending on how you set it up. Once you've received the code, enter it into the necessary field to verify your identity. This crucial step ensures that even if someone has your password, they won't be able to access your account without this additional information. Once you've been authenticated, you'll gain access to your business's Stripe dashboard. From here, you can manage your transactions, view analytics, generate reports, and much more, giving you full control over your business's financial operations. In some cases, you might have the option to sign in using a passkey. If your device supports built-in biometrics, like a fingerprint or facial recognition, or if you have a security key, you can choose the Sign In with Passkey option. This can provide an extra layer of convenience and security, allowing you to log in without needing to type your password. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of signing in to your standard Stripe account. Whether you prefer the security of a traditional password and 2FA or the modern convenience of a passkey, you now have the knowledge to access your account swiftly and securely. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative tutorials like this.